Hello everyone, welcome to another Java video. In this video, we're going to be solving the common factors problem. When given two positive integers greater than 1, which are a and b, we're going to write a program that prints all the factors that they both share. 10 and 24 shares 1 and 2. And our solution plan is, well, do the same thing as the factors problem, but we're going to modify it slightly. We're going to check if the divider can evenly divide into both inputs, and that's what we're going to do. So we have our input ready. Okay, now we're just going to tweak our for loop. Right, because it was just checking for one number if that divider can be divided by using the modulus and have a remainder of 0. So first and foremost, let's get a second value. We can say enter another value, and this will be num2 and num1. Okay. And our goal is going to be, well, we're going to go up to the smaller amount. We're going to not go up to the highest amount because the largest common factor that these ones should have is any of these number but the smaller number, because a bigger number can't be a factor for a smaller number. So let's do the following. We can say int upper limit equals to 0, and we can say that if num1 is greater than num2 or equal to, we can say our upper limit is set to num1, and let me just write our curly braces here, like so. All right, if that is false though, that means our upper limit is going to be set to num2. Don't forget your semicolons right there. And we have our upper limit set. So instead of for our divider starting from 1, going all the way to num, we don't know what that num is, but we're going to say we're going to go up to this upper limit. And then our conditions are going to be very similar. We're going to take num1 modulus divider and see if that is equal to 0. And then we're going to do and num2 modulus divider is also equal to 0. That means we have a common factor, all right, between these. So we get to output the common factor. So we can think divider is a common factor of num1 and num2. Like that, and let's test our code. Oh, we don't need, we just need to a string again, like so. Okay, Java. We can write video 17. To value, we're going to do 12 and 36. They're going to have a lot of common factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 were common factors of 12 and 36. But if we try a value like 18 and 19 is only going to have 1 because they don't share common factors, because 19 is also a prime number, so it has no other factors but 1 and 19 itself. 18 has factors of 1, 2, 9, and 18, but none of them will match the factor rules for a prime number. So thank you for watching. This was the common factors problem where we just have to slightly modify. Like we had to control which upper limit we go up to, and we just had to add in another condition like so to determine if these two were common factors. Okay, or if these two have common factors, our given numbers had common factors. Okay. As always, thank you for watching. Stay classy.